We've been keeping a little secret and working away behind the scenes over the last 12 months to create an unrivaled learning academy for you to explore. The Academy is a learning hub filled with expert-led soft furnishing and upholstery courses for you to enjoy at your own pace, in your own time, and in the comfort of your own home. We're passionate about giving everyone the opportunity to not only learn new skills but also uncover skills which might not have been used for some time. The Academy is designed to give you the confidence to get making, with an ever-growing collection of online soft furnishing and upholstery courses from some of the very best industry professionals, with both beginner and advanced levels to choose from. We're so proud to be launching this exceptional learning hub for you all to enjoy. For over 35 years, we've been giving you the best fabrics and expertise for all of your soft furnishing projects, and now you can learn with us too. So go on, what are you waiting for? Join Just Fabrics, the Academy today.